This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax using Ufile. First, you'll need to create a new Ufile account or log in if you're a returning user. Once logged in, gather all your essential tax documents, such as T4 slips, T4A slips, and any medical or donation receipts. It's crucial to select the correct tax year to begin your return, ensuring all your information is applied accurately. This initial setup is key for a smooth filing process. Next, carefully input your personal information, including your name, address, and social insurance number. Then, proceed to enter all your income details from various sources, using your T4 slips, T4A slips, and any other relevant income statements. Don't forget to claim all eligible deductions and credits, like medical expenses or charitable donations, as these can significantly reduce your taxable income and potentially increase your refund. Before finalizing, thoroughly review your entire tax return for any potential errors or missing information. Ufile includes an optimizer feature that can help you identify any deductions or credits you might have overlooked, ensuring you get the maximum refund possible. If you're filing for multiple family members, make sure all their returns are correctly linked within the system for accurate calculations and family benefits. Finally, once you're confident everything is accurate, you can net file your return directly to the Canada Revenue Agency through Ufile. Remember to print or save a digital copy of your filed return for your personal records, which is important for future reference. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.